Welcome back. Wisconsin leads the nation in deadly falls among people who are 65 or older, and more than 1 in 4 people in this age group will have a fall each year. Here to share some tips and talk about this growing public health crisis is Suzanne Morley with the Wisconsin Institute for Healthy Aging and Molly McCormick with the La Crosse Fire Department. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Yeah, thank you.
So tell us, why is this topic so important, and what is La Crosse doing to help kind of educate and prevent these falls?
Yeah, it's super important because, like you said, Wisconsin leads the nation in deathly falls. We know that falls are preventable. There's things that older adults can do to really prevent falling in the future and reduce their falls risk.
Yeah, and what are some things that people can do at home, maybe even just sitting, to help prevent these falls?
Yeah, there's some simple exercises that people can do. We organize the Stepping On Falls Prevention Program, and we teach some balance and strength exercises. For example, you can do a knee strengthening exercise. So it's really simple. All you have to do is find a good stable chair, make sure that it doesn't have wheels, something that you're stable in, and then sit up nice and tall and straight, and then straighten your knee as much as you can, just so it's comfortable. You don't want there to be any pain. Hold it for a little bit and then lower it back down. So that really helps strengthen, and keep doing it. So you do both sides.
Okay.
And it helps strengthen those thigh muscles that are important for stability.
Yeah, I'm going to start doing this every time I anchor.
Yeah.
And Molly, you're with the fire department. So
Yeah.
what do you see and what have you learned that could maybe help people at home?
Yeah, absolutely. A lot of our calls are actually fall related. People think fire department, think fire. That's not the case. And so with our crews, we've partnered with the county. And so what we're trying to do is get people connected to services so that they know it's okay to ask for help. The whole idea is to catch this early. We know that if somebody has a fall, they're more likely to have additional falls after that. So it's okay to ask for that support. And at the fire department, we're really just trying to help people connect to those services to get it so that they can stay in their homes and be more independent.
Definitely. Speaking of those services, what's the best way for people to either get involved or maybe start from scratch if they don't know what to do?
Yeah, we just actually developed a new website for falls prevention for older adults. It's fallsfreewi.org. Older adults and their family members and caregivers can go to the website. They can find information on assistive devices, balance and strength exercises, falls prevention programs. Lots of great information on the website.
Awesome.
Yeah, and then locally, the ADRC has a lot of great resources. They have a monthly newsletter that goes out that lists all local activities to help get involved.
And there is an event today happening, actually. If anyone has free time in their schedule, what can people do to get involved in that event today? Can you tell us a little about that?
Yeah, so Gunderson Health, we received a grant that they were able to fund Bingo Size. It's an evidence-based falls prevention program that incorporates a little bit of bingo. So who doesn't love bingo?
I love bingo.
Then, yes, me too. And exercise in it. So it's a 10-week program, and it's held at some assisted living and independent living facilities in the area. And then Gunderson also does the Stepping On program that they can do locally. So you can find information on both of those programs on our fallsfreewi.org website.
Awesome. I'm excited to hear how those bingo size classes go. Thank you both so much for joining us.
Yeah,
Thank you for having us.
Of course.